you little Buddha. You're a baby Buddha. Yes, you are.
Oh.
You're funny. You're so big. Such a big girl. Yep. What do you see? What do you see? Oh. No.
Mom, Jay thinks your name should be Gran because it's Grandma and Ann. We thought you wouldn't like Gran, though.
I don't mind Gran.
Or Emily and I were.
I don't see why you would mind Gran.
I don't mind it.
Yeah.
You could, whatever she ends up calling me.
Yeah.